Proper greasing is one of the most important maintenance tasks to keep your mower running smoothly and lasting for years. In this video, I will walk you through everything you need to know about greasing your mower's key fittings. From the tools you need to the right technique. Whether you are a new owner or just doing regular upkeeping, this guide has you covered. Thanks for watching the MG Factor. A quick note to my viewers. Believe it or not, over 98% of viewers watch without subscribing. We are on a mission to reach 1000 subscribers by end of this year, and your support makes a real difference. Thanks for being part of the journey. So let's see what all you will need to perform this task. You will need a grease gun. It can be a manual or battery operated, hardly matters. Multi-purpose lithium based grease, or John Deere recommends ST polyurea grease, clean rag or shop towel, safety gloves, jack or jack stands for easier access, which is again an optional. I am not using it anyways. Now let's look at the step-by-step process. The first step in the process is to turn off and cool down. Ensure the mower is off, keys removed, and engine completely cooled before starting. Now locate your grease fittings. There are 7 different points as shown in the video. Refer to your owner manuals or common locations include such as front wheel spindles, front axle pivot points, steering linkage, mower deck spindle housing. Clean the fittings. Wipe off any dirt or old grease from each fittings with a rag or prevent contamination. Load and prime the grease gun. Load your grease gun cartridge and pump a few times to remove air pockets. Attach grease guns to fitting. Firmly press or lock the grease gun coupler onto each fittings. Pump the grease. Apply 2 to 4 pumps per fitting or until you see a fresh grease ooze out slightly. Wipe off excess grease. Use a rag to wipe away any overflow to prevent dirt buildup. Check all points. Double check that you didn't miss any fittings. Refer back to the manual if unsure. Thanks for tuning in. A regular greasing can make a big difference in your mower's performance and longevity. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe. It's free and supports the channel so I can keep bringing on more DIY maintenance tips. Drop your questions in the comments and I will be glad to help. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching the MG Factor.